Has Daniel arrived?
He's taking a glass of wine with Robert. Now, hold your breath. I think it time that you and Daniel, put up the band.
Daniel has his mind set upon being master of a fine ship first.
We shall have to drag that young man to the altar, I can see. Otherwise, you're in danger of being left on the shelf, my girl.
Daniel needs little persuasion, I do assure you.
Why, Elizabeth, I do believe you're blushing.
A natural agitation.
Perhaps your lacing's a little too tight.
Daniel says it's very becoming.
Or leave a kiss within the cup, and I'll not ask for wine. The thirst that from the soul doth rise doth ask a drink divine.
Another glass of Madeira, Daniel.
But might I of Jove's nectar sip, I would not change for thine.
Very good, very good.
How would promotion affect your future plans, Mr. Fogarty?
Well, I hope, Mrs. Onedin, that I shall then be in a position to ask for Elizabeth's hand.
Well, I shouldn't wait too long if I were you. Young Fraser hovers like a bee round a honey pot.
Fraser?
Really, Robert? Don't take any notice of my husband, Mr. Fogarty. He's a great tease.
I mean what I say, Sarah. It's time that Elizabeth was married. And Daniel here would make a damn sight better husband than young Fraser.
Who is this Fraser?
Mr. Albert Fraser, the son of the shipbuilder.
He keeps trying to persuade his father to build steamships.
I see, a floating kettle man. Well, if he's pestering you with his unwarranted attentions, Elizabeth, I trust you will give me the satisfaction of dealing with him on your behalf.
On the contrary, Mr. Fraser is quite the little gentleman. Your servant, Miss Elizabeth. If I may be of service, Miss Elizabeth, may I have the privilege of taking your arm, Miss Elizabeth?
Devil he does. Find him aboard ship, I'll put a reef in his tail, smart enough.
You mustn't take it amiss, Daniel. You've no cause of jealousy of Mr. Fraser, I do assure you. You're twice the man